friends, this is Tina Rajara here and welcome to Brighty Briz. Friends, so what we are making today?
We're making
a sound recorder.
Sound recorder.
Okay, let's get started. So what do we need first?
We need the
Battery holder.
battery.
Yeah, good job. Now one more battery holder.
Oh no, I wanna.
Okay. Now that's it. Yeah. So
Stop.
now what do we need?
We
Number 2 connector.
number 2. Oh, no.
Yeah.
I need that one.
Yeah, number 2 connector. Let's join it.
Ah,
Now here what do we need? Number 2 again.
number 2. Number 2.
Connect this here with number 2 connector, please.
Okay.
Let's take one out of it, please. Take one out of it, please. Take one out of it. Yeah.
Ah.
Good job. Yeah, connect it here. Okay.
I'm gonna collect more.
Now what do we need?
What?
See? Number 4 connector.
Number 4 connect.
Where is number 4? Can you find number 4 connector? Find number 4 connector from here, please.
This.
Good job.
This.
This is number 7. That's number 7. It goes here, Vaj.
This.
Yeah.
Wait, no.
No, Vaj, that's wrong.
Wait, that look.
No, it need to go a little bit down. See in the circuit. It's here. Okay? Now connect it.
Stop talking. Stop
Yeah,
talking.
good job. Now connect number 2.
Stop.
Oh, wow, you know everything. Okay. Now what we need? See what? Number 4 connector. Where is number 4 connector?
Connector.
Yeah, good job.
It goes in his bodies. This is that?
Good job.
Number 7.
Okay.
18. Wait, what the?
Wow, good job. High five. Now where is NPN? Find NPN. Find NPN. What? Where is NPN? Find NPN, please. NPN. Okay, do one thing. Yeah, good. Okay, Vaj, can you find a speaker? Vaj, can you find a speaker for me? Where's the speaker?
Speaker Bucky.
Speaker, SP. SP.
Yeah.
Good.
This.
Yeah. See, here is SP connected here with this. Yeah. Good job. Now where is D3? Diode 3.
Diode 3.
D3. D3.
Found it.
Okay, you want to use recording IC first. Okay.
But we have to build that.
No, that's wrong. What? It has to go like this.
Let me.
Okay.
Have to.
Good job.
No, I have to.
Good. Now connect number 2. Yeah. Very nice. Now.
This.
Now where is S1 switch? Find S1 switch.
Yeah.
This
S1.
one, where is it? Can you find it for me, please?
Which?
No, S1. S1.
S1.
That's diode. S1. Where is S1? Yeah.
Wait.
Right. Please connect it here for me.
Come on.
Okay,
Yeah.
very nice. And where is number 3 connector? Where is number 3 connector, Vajra?
I found it.
Oh, wow, you are so quick. Where is number 3 connector? Number 3?
Number 3.
Yeah. Good job. Very nice. Yeah. Take one out of it, please, for me. Okay. No, what? You don't need it. It has to be placed here, okay? Yeah. Now D3. Wow. Okay. Now, can you connect D3 number 3 connector here for me, please? That's here with this. Yeah. Okay. What else is left? Let's check. Oh, number 3 connector here is not done. Can you Can you place number 3 here? Oh, she took the other one from there. Okay. Take connect it here. Okay. Now here is also number 3. Take number 3. What see here? It is like this, horizontally, like that. Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Now number 2.
No,
Where is number 2?
I need to do it.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah. Number 2 connector.
Number 2 connect.
Okay. And what? Now this is X1 for recording.
Okay.
Okay. Now number 2. Yeah. Good. Now we need X1. X1. Okay.
Down. Oh, keep it down.
Now one more number 2. Okay. Now we have to complete this circuit. Good. Let's check what left. See what? This is D3 left. Okay. Let's connect D3 with number 4 connector and recording IC. Where's D3? Okay, let's check the circuit. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, we need cells. Let's put the cells in, the batteries in there.
Yeah. This?
Yeah, flat surface toward the spring. Okay, always remember.
Oh, God.
Good job. Okay, let's check the circuit first. Okay, quickly. What? Wait. So what are we doing? Let's see. The battery holder is here. Number 2 connector. Number 2. Number 4. Then speaker. Then NPN. Then 2, 3. Then S1. Then 3. Then recorder IC. Then number 2. Number 3. 2. X1 and switch. Okay. So what? Now we have to start recording. Okay.
Check.
Close the circuit. Yeah.
Daddy finger, daddy finger, where are you? Daddy finger, daddy finger.
Nice.